Hello, students. I hope you all must have completed the pending work which was given to you. All the writing sections part has been noted down in your copies or the pages whichever you have made for English, right? Now, this is the article writing. Look through the video and again note down the article which is given as an example. In the assignment section, I am giving synonyms and antonyms. If you have the book, very good, you can compare it with the book, it will be the same, right? If you do not have the book, then please note it down in your copies. This will be always there with you, so keep learning as and when you get time. Is that clear? It is not necessary to learn in a day or two, but please start learning from tomorrow. Now, first of all, what is an article? This is something new which you have not done in class 6 or 7. An article is a piece of writing on a particular subject which is meant for publication in a newspaper or a magazine. Like you write some articles in your newsletters of your school, or you want to write an article or any information about a particular topic and to publish it in a newspaper or any magazine. Such write-ups are known as articles. Now, article, there should be a suitable heading for an article. Any eye-catching heading should always be there, right? It looks nice. Then after that, you have to write the name of the person who is writing the article. Right? Suppose you are writing, if it's your name, you will write your name. If again the same thing, if there is something in the question, then you will write, if there is something if some name is in the question, then you will write the question name. Okay? Suppose, right? Then in the body part should be short and precise. Clear expressions should be there. It should be complete. The English should be correct and it can be in more than one paragraph. Correct English should be there, it should be complete, it should be short and definitely kind and gentle words. And you can write in more than one paragraph, not only one paragraph. You can divide your article into 2 or 3 paragraphs and neatly taking care of the margin. You have to write along the margin and you will write the article. Is it okay? This is the very easy, simple format of article writing. You will write the heading, then by, and you will write the name and then the body part. Body part you have understood how it is to be written. This is a small question here for you with an answer. Write an article on peer pressure and you are Swati Jain. So here your name is Swati Jain, so you have written by Swati Jain, you have given the heading peer pressure and the article. So basically information or some points or some details about the given topic. It can be anything. Suppose you have to write an article on saving trees. Then you will write about all the saving trees in this article. You have to write on save pollution or global warming, or let us say what is today's main topic? Corona, the pandemic created due to coronavirus. You are asked to write about it. So now you will give many informations related to that in your paragraph. But it should not be a roundabout stories or anything. Write it to the point. Fine. That goes on with our article writing. So that is the end of module 5, article writing. Thank you.